There's been a lot of talk about inflation, but what is inflation and why are we experiencing it? Let's dig in. Inflation is, simply put, the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. Have you noticed your grocery bill going up? Gas prices rising every day? Is your electricity bill getting heftier and heftier? Well, that's inflation. As prices for goods and services we use every day continue to rise, but the wages we earn do not, this begins to take a toll on our everyday lives. So, how did we get here? What caused inflation? There are a number of guesses to how this happened. One reason could be the recent pandemic, COVID-19, and the supply chain crisis that came out as a result of that. Some believe it to be due to the stimulus checks that were given out during this pandemic, which would have increased the amount of money in circulation, therefore causing prices to rise. Or it could be due simply to the supply and demand. People demanding more products and services than are available can cause shortages and limiting supplies, which will in turn cause prices to rise. Regardless of what caused it, it's not fun. So how do we fix it? Well, the goal is to decrease demand, and the Federal Reserve does this by increasing interest rates. That's why you're seeing home loans going for upwards of 7% APR instead of the historically low rates we were just seeing not that long ago. Whether you're buying a new home, a new car, or just using your credit card to purchase everyday things, higher interest rates equals higher payments and less money to spend elsewhere, which ultimately means less money out in circulation. So, now what? What can you do to stay afloat during this time? Managing your finances is going to be key to make it through. This may mean cutting back on unnecessary spending, like going out to eat, different subscriptions, or even changing where you shop for groceries. Focus in on a budget and find areas where you can save. Then, stash funds away in a savings account, money market, or certificate of deposit. Because as interest rates for loans may be rising, so are rates of return on savings, which is a great thing. Ask your financial institution about products and services they offer during difficult times like these. Institutions may offer solutions like financial counseling that can help you stay focused on your financial goals.